Hello and welcome to this video where we'll be taking a closer look at best foods and how they can help relieve constipation. Constipation can be a frustrating and uncomfortable experience for many people, but there are some foods that can help relieve it. In this video, we'll be discussing the top 5 foods that can help regulate digestion and improve gut health. Food number 1 is fiber-rich foods. Fiber-rich foods are an essential part of a healthy diet and can help improve gut health, regulate digestion, and relieve constipation. Foods high in fiber, such as whole grains, fruits, vegetables, legumes, and nuts, can help increase the bulk and soften stools, making them easier to pass. A diet rich in fiber can help regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation. Food number 2 is hydrating foods. Staying hydrated is essential for preventing and relieving constipation. Drinking plenty of water and eating water-rich foods such as watermelon, cucumber, and soups can help keep your digestive system running smoothly. Food number 3 is probiotic-rich foods. Probiotics are live bacteria and yeast that can help regulate digestion and improve gut health. Foods such as yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut are good sources of probiotics. Incorporating probiotic-rich foods into your diet can help improve gut health and relieve constipation. Food number 4 is prunes. Prunes are a well-known natural laxative thanks to their high fiber and sorbitol content. They can help soften stools and stimulate bowel movements. Try incorporating prunes into your diet as a snack or adding them to your breakfast cereal. And finally, food number 5 is ginger. Ginger has natural anti-inflammatory and digestive properties that can help relieve constipation. Try incorporating ginger in your diet by adding it to tea, smoothies, or stir-fries. Ginger can also help settle an upset stomach and relieve nausea. So there you have it, the 5 best foods for constipation. Remember, everyone's digestive system is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's best to listen to your body and consume a balanced and varied diet for optimal gut health. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful content. Until next time.